So yeah, this one is about Pennsylvania. I think it's Pennsylvania. Yeah, Pennsylvania. Grocery store trashes 35,000 worth $35,000 worth of food after a woman intentionally coughs on it, and then she's arrested. They arrested her. So it was a woman who intentionally coughed on more than $35,000 worth of groceries at a northeastern Pennsylvania South supermarket, and she claimed she had coronavirus and she has been arrested. On Wednesday afternoon, the woman, identified by police as Margaret Churko, went to Gertie's supermarket in Hangover Township near Wilkes-Barre and coughed on the store's entire selection of fresh produce as well as some baked items, meat, and other food. Co-owner Joe Felucia said in a statement, she's been charged with threatening to use weapons of mass destruction, making terroristic threats, according to Luzine, Luzine, yeah, I don't know. County District Attorney Office, and is being held on a $50,000 bail. While there is little doubt this woman was doing this, wait, while there is little doubt this woman was doing it as a very twisted prank, we will not take any chances with the health and well-being of our customers, Felicia said. I'm also absolutely sick to my stomach about losing the loss of the food, he said. While it is always a shame when food is wasted, in these times when so many people are worried about the security of food supply, it is even more disturbing. Workers, grocery workers across the state have found themselves on the front lines of the pandemic, while almost business, while almost, well, while, I'm so sorry. While most business have been ordered to close, supermarkets are deemed life-sustaining, and their employees have expressed anxiety despite efforts to protect themselves. At Gertie's, more than a dozen employees helped throw out items and clean up the area, said Felicia, who assert assured assured customers that everything was disinfected. Lacine County District Attorney Stephanie Cervantes commended the workers for their quick and thorough response and said her office will strive to prosecute anyone taking advantage of this emergency situation or utilizing it for their amusement. Gertie's employees arrived at the store early Thursday to restock. When they got there, they were greeted by several colorful heart-shaped messages taped to the door. One of the notes was shared on the store's Facebook page. Read, "Thank you, grocery workers. We appreciate you." There was no indication the woman actually had coronavirus, Felicia said. An attorney for her could not be reached immediately. This is some crazy shit. And like I said in my other videos, they knew once you did one thing, everything was going to start falling in line with this stupid ass bullshit. Now, this dumbass lady going to cough on all this food and all these people out here hungry and worried about food and how they gonna feed their kids and how they gonna feed themselves, and your dumb ass go and cough on all that food. And then people didn't have no choice. I mean, I would have even got rid of all that. I wouldn't have gave that to nobody. I wouldn't have sold that to nobody. I wouldn't even give that to my dogs. So at the end of the day, you won't have no choice but to burn it, because you don't know what that lady got. If that lady don't have the coronavirus, she probably got something else. You don't know. And then she go and cough on all that food. That show you the mental state that these people is in on some real stuff. Because they said when it first began, the man was on a subway and took his finger and put it in his mouth or in his nose or whatever and wiped it on the pole where everybody touched on the subway. So their mind is just, the mental state of their mind is just crazy. And that's what I be trying to express. Like, this is evidence. This is evidence right here of how their mental state is. And people strive to be like them. Ain't no way in the hell. I got my own problems trying to be my color. And let alone try to be somebody else's. So I hope this lady get the help she need or whatever, because at the end of the day, that was sick. That was disturbing. That was just crazy. That was crazy. How you gonna cough on all that food and you know people, and then this is going on? And maybe she was planning. Who knows? Maybe she was planning by the government. Who knows? They do some weird shit too. But hope you like the video. Hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, and have a nice day.